the funny thing about Began is I'd say he's the only goalkeeper in Ireland that doesn't kick with a tee. Like, he sets the ball on the ground, and like the trajectory and the pace that it is on his kick out, then it can fly out over the top more than anything off a tee. And it's a wild dangerous kick out. You know, you have to be so aware and behind of that coming out over the top tee, because
use a tee.
Oh, every goalkeeper in Ireland, bar going Began, uses a tee. I couldn't get the ball beyond the edge of the arc if I didn't have a tee. But it's just you know, you know, what did Derry do then with Desi Ward? Because obviously Cavan stepped way too far off him and gave him, you know, so much time on the ball. And Derry, I can't imagine Derry stepping off as far. Like Derry, we talked about, you know, they were pretty effective press and Antrim very high, but how much of that was because it was Antrim and let's just go and take the ball off them again, and we're better than them, let's just go and take it. And there is, you know, that is part of the psychology of playing like that in that press. It's like, you know, they're probably not going to hurt us in behind. If they do, so be it. We're still going to win the game anyway. Let's get after them and take the ball off them. So I don't know that they'll treat Monaghan that way. But then look, again, we're through all that. There's inexperience in Monaghan defence in a lot of sectors as well. Cameron Dow did well, McAlarney did well, but Derry, and again, we're talking about a man marking conundrum at one end. There's a real probably conundrum at the other end for, like, Niall Loughlin's one of the single most underrated footballers in the country. Shane McGuigan is playing really well and is not underrated. Everybody knows about him. And then you have Lachlan Murray, who just wants to run at the black spot. And that creates a real problem. So,
and Derry aren't going to miss what they missed last time, should they not? Like, you don't.
No, look, the shooting thing was, like, they still scored 222.
It's similar to Armagh for Man. I mean, Armagh sort of had the Tyrone game as I know it was obviously only 1 point in it, but it brought them on a bit. You know, Derry Antrim was a bit of a loosener for them. If the draw goes the way it goes for you in Ulster, you know, you get a loosener, and then you get the kind of get all the bad habits out. I suppose about maybe why Down were so sort of not fortunate, but they caught Donegal cold. Donegal were coming in, not much. You know, any team that's played, you know, Armagh obviously had the preliminary round game. Derry will go in off the back of the Antrim game as a wee kind of a loosener, you know, sort of thing. So, you know, not tremendously competitive for them. They have that to bring them on. So, I would favour Derry for that one, like, you know. But Monaghan, one of those teams that once they get into Ulster, you just can't really kind of write them off. You know.